Welcome to AviMall. Let's go through a quick flight search tutorial. To quickly find a suitable aircraft for one of your customers, hover to the search menu and pick one of the available selections. Aircrafts for charter, empty legs, helicopters. You may click aircrafts for charter and start filling your own search criteria details. The only required information is the flight schedule. You may start with the following: departure airport, arrival airport, date and time, local time and UTC, arrival or departure, and number of passengers. Also, you can add or remove sectors by pressing the plus and minus buttons on the right side. Once you have completed the flight schedule, you can move to select the aircraft type. Specifications under Special Requirements and Cabin will change according to the aircraft type you have selected. For instance, selecting air ambulance will reveal the options number of stretchers, number of escorts, and door size. If we choose freighter, the number of tonne and the floor size will appear in cabin configuration. This time we will check the VIP jet and the VIP airliner box as an example. You may first choose the cabin size. Then next to range, you may exclude aircrafts requiring fuel stops during the performance of your flight by selecting No Fuel Stop. Then choose the range of aircraft you wish to hire. In the model line, you can choose aircraft age based on your preference. You can also choose one or more options to define the exact model of the aircraft you're looking for. Under Special Requirements, it's possible to exclude aircrafts that requires owner approval by selecting the box next to Exclude aircrafts requiring owner approval, or include them by leaving the box unchecked. If your customer prefers to smoke on board, you can select Smoking Allowed, and since there are operators who allow smoking of cigarettes and prohibit other type of tobacco, the system allows you to specify the type of smoke. Also, if your flight requires transporting pets, you can select live animals and enter the number and size of cages you wish to transport. Selecting availability of cabin crew will give you the option to search for operators providing flight attendants who speak certain languages. Some operators don't offer alcohol on board, therefore you can exclude such operators by selecting Exclude operators that don't serve alcohol, or leave it blank. If you select this flight requires coffin transportation, the system will display additional field to determine the number of coffins needed to be transported and the sizes. The search engine will show you only the aircraft which can accommodate your requirements. Cabin enables you to search for an aircraft that specifically meets your customer's request. Next to cabin configuration, specify the number of club seats, divans, or divan convertible to bed, available partitions to divide the cabin into sections, bathroom, shower, and number of toilets. Also, you may provide information on luggage compartment location, specification, and capacity. In the power plugs section, you can select the type of electrical outputs you want to have on board. Since many VIP flights hold business meetings, internet and other electronic devices are considered essential for a successful flight. Therefore, you have a variety of devices to select from. AviMall search engine will show you all aircrafts equipped with the requested devices and utilities. You can also insert your own reference for the search and/or define the preferred operators. Once you have filled the required info, you may click the search button. The system will display available aircrafts for charter according to your search criteria with the operator's system pricing structure. If you want to gather more info on one of the options listed below, click on the Detail button and you will be able to see details related to aircraft, flight itinerary, and the price. Select one or more aircrafts and send your request. Once you press Send, a new tab will open where you can type in your message to be sent with your request. Then click on Send Messages to see the status of your request. Now we will go to the operator account to show you how your message has been received. The operator will click on Received Requests, then open the broker's request to accept or reject after confirming the availability of the features. In this example, French speaker flight attendant will not be available, which will automatically appear under the operator customized message to the broker. We will type in the customized message now, and In the private note section, the operator will be able to write a remark or a reminder that only the operator can see. On this page, the operator can set the price as required, as well as the price validity date, and view price details for requested trips. Then reply to you as it shows here. Reflecting any special notes that you have entered. The broker will receive the operator's response under the Requests tab. The broker can then respond with a message directly to the operator through the system without any third-party interference or even using other ways of communication. The broker can ask to option the aircraft and can type in the message directly. Back to the operator account. Now the operator will receive the broker's response and will be able to view previous messages between them, and communication will continue this way or by using Outlook. The flight search tutorial is finished. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for listening.